Your Tesla is locked, ma'am. Sentry mode activated.
Hey y'all, welcome back to SheFast. We are back with another install. This is an electric sunshade sent to us from our friends over at Hansshow. So we're gonna do the install with y'all today. And if you like what you see and you wanna get you one of your very own, the link will be in the description. And of course, you can use our discount code SheFast to get 20% off. So without further ado, let's do it. All right, y'all, so I got everything out of the shipping canister. Obviously, you're gonna have your product, which is the electric sunshade itself. Already attached to it is gonna be your cord, which is gonna plug into the OBD2 port, and your button to operate. You also get this little piece of paper here. It has some warranty information along with a QR code that you can scan to see an installation video. And your mounting supplies. That's right. So the first thing I want to point out is that this L-shaped piece right here, they sent a longer piece in that little baggie that I showed you guys earlier. So we actually ended up swapping this out, and that really helped to be able to fit this really snug into the dash. So the first thing you want to do is line up your suction cup with the windshield. So you want to make sure that the suction cup is on the windshield, and you want to get it pushed back pretty far down into the dash, pretty much where you want it to be. After that, you want to make sure that you remove the paper backing underneath this piece here, the little foot. Remember, there's some 3M adhesive under there. You're going to need that to keep this thing from moving around. So remove the paper backing to expose the adhesive. And then once you have done that, you want to loosen up this screw. Not all the way. You don't want to remove the screw. Just loosen it up, because this screw, the tighter this screw is, it's holding on to this little L-shaped bracket here. And that's what's keeping it in place. So you're going to loosen this screw just a little bit so you have some wiggle room and you're able to move and adjust this to where you want it to be. So once you've done that, what you want to do is hold this under the bottom and push up. And you're going to push it up as hard as you can. Don't look now, Hulk. Don't break the windshield. But you're going to push this up as hard as you can. And once you get it pushed up as hard as you can, that's when you tighten the screw. Okay? So, suction cup, remove the paper backing, push this up, tighten your screw. All right? And then you do that on both sides. So another thing I'll mention is that once you get this installed, if you think that you might be a little crooked or you might be off-centered or something like that, it's really easy to adjust, because remember, this screw, the tighter the screw, the tighter the bracket, the looser the screw, the looser the bracket. So if you need to adjust the placement of your sunshade, just loosen your screws, both of them. You don't have to take the screws out. Just loosen both screws, and then that's going to allow you to move your sunshade. You can move it to the left, you can move it to the right, whatever. And then once you get it exactly where you want it, and you can even raise the sunshade and do it while you have the sunshade up so that you can have it at whatever placement you feel most comfortable with it being at. And once you get it where you want it, tighten your screws back down. So now we're going to let Ali do the wiring.
All right, guys, so for this part, we're just going to pull this seal here. And right about there, and then this piece here is what we want to remove, so we can just grab it up here. Now we have access to go ahead and run this wire. And so I'm just going to pull it up in here. And you can kind of feel your way around down here to go ahead and hide the wire. All right, so there you can see where I have the wire ran and where the plug is that you have to plug into. All right, so now we just need to put this piece back. All right, so in the bag you do have another piece of Velcro. So we can just take this, attach this piece of Velcro like that, and then pull this off. I've already cleaned off the dash, so that's good to go. And then you can just take this and set it on the dash right here. Fully mounted. We can close our door, no problem. And we can hit our button. Bring it up. Have it go down. Piece of cake.
All right, y'all. So now we have everything completely installed and wired. The wires are hidden. Everything is good to go. And this is what it looks like from the outside with the shade being up. It looks pretty seamless. I actually like it. I do like it. You can see that it's kind of like a reflective backing. Very nice, very nice. And then when you go to, look how dark it is in there now, y'all. So then when you go and take a look at the inside, you can see that the inside is black and it does cover most of the windshield, okay? So y'all, if you like this sunshade from Hansshow and you wanna get your own, make sure you click the link in the description and use our discount code SHEFAST so you can get 20% off, okay? Give this video a thumbs up, maybe drop us a comment or two. Click that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified next time we post a video. Thank you guys for watching. As always, thank you for your support, and we will see y'all on the next video. Peace.